any part of the world you're watching me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is TFX, and I'm here today to show you or to simplify daily or to simplify directional bias for you guys. So today we'll be breaking down we'll be talking about how to find direction in the market, and I'll be showing you how I find my direction, how I find my own direction in the forex market. So that's it, guys. Let's get down to the video, and make sure if you haven't subscribed or subscribe to my channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Put down a comment for me in any of the video you want me to talk about that you really want to know about, any concept at all you want to know about in the forex market, and I'll do well to drop the video for you guys. So talking about the directional bias in the forex market, for me, shout out to ICT. He has really helped a lot of traders like me simplify the directional bias in the forex market. So directional bias is something you just use your eyes, your visual listing to just check in the forex market. Me now as a day trader, I don't need too much to do when it comes to directional bias because ICT has made it very simple for us to frame our directional bias here. So this is how I just frame mine. I just every week I just come to the forex market. I just come to the chart here, come to the weekly time frame and just check how the previous candle closes. So the previous candle close, that's what I use for the upcoming week to know where the upcoming week might possibly expand to. Do you understand? So that's all I do here on the weekly time frame, and I could just mark the highs and lows where I think price is heading to, might be going to. So I just mark that. But the main thing I do on this weekly time frame is just to check how the previous candle close, and that will give me a confluence that okay, this coming week might be expanding to the upside based on how the previous candle closes, how the previous weekly candle closes. So that's a weekly bias. And when it comes to the daily bias, so you just need to go to the daily time frame and check how the previous day closed. And maybe then later, maybe towards the ending of the video, then I'll tell you guys, and I'll show you guys how you can align both the daily and the weekly, both the weekly and the daily bias together to get a very high probability trade. So stay tuned in this video. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So because you will really learn a lot from this video if directional bias is what you are seeking for. And if there is anything you are looking out for to see, you can comment below, then I'll drop the video next. So this is how I just frame my own here. We can see here immediately this bearish candle engulfs this 3 bar here, or even one. You just need one engulfment for change of character on the weekly time frame. Do you understand? So immediately I see this bearish candle now, bearish candle engulfs this candle here. To me, that's a change of character. I mean, the market is ready to sell, to continue selling. And as you can see, the market has been selling for 4 weeks now. 4 weeks now. This Euro USD has been selling for 4 weeks now. So, but when it comes to continuational trend, which we expect market to continue in the coming week, this is it here. You can use this here. If I just better want to just show you guys because I so much like the engulfment bar. Okay, let me do this scenario here. You can see what happens is that price just pull back from this point to this week low, then pull back to this place, to this FUG here, and immediately this candle close bullish, engulfing this bar here, this previous week bar here, and closing above it. You can see that this coming week, this week here, I'm not expecting it to come down to take out this low again. That means this low has been secured for the push, for continuational push to the upside. And as you can see, this candle push up there, comes back to close, and this one continue that right there. So the other thing you can add is just on the weekly time frame, just your draw on liquidity, which is you can use this high here as a potential target for the market to trade towards or to trade into, or you can use any high here. You can see there are much highs here. So immediately I see this engulfment, price tapping into this FUG, then this candle prints and close above this candle here now. My first draw of liquidity will be this high here. Right, I might use this one because this was the high before the retracement into this FUG here. So this high, this one, and this one here. So those are my draw on liquidity. So you don't need too much to draw on the you don't need too much to do on the weekly time frames. You don't just need too much. All you just need to look for is just how does the previous week close? Does it close in a very strong manner? Does it kind of close with a very strong momentum, or does it just beat the previous high and close back inside? And that one too, you can also use that one, but just I just prefer me seeing the previous candle engulfing. Okay, get. If I want to see this kind of reversal now, because this is a reversal sign here, yeah, and this one here is a continuation. This one here is a after the reversal, this candle continues. This all these three candles continues the move. So when I'm trying to frame a reversal, that means you need to mark out, okay, where does price after price takes out this high here, after price took out this high here, and price shows the sign, okay, we are pushing back down. You mark a FEG, so immediately this candle close. That means price has reversed, price has changed character on the lower time frame. Then 1 to 2 weeks after this candle, a week and 2 or 3 marks after this reversal candle here, that means I'll be looking for a bullish move. So that's how simple framing your buyers, your weekly buyers in the forex market is. You just have to check how does the previous candle close. If the previous candle close bullish, then in the coming week you're still looking to buy. You just have to draw your lower time frame like daily 4 hour, 1 hour, FEG or demand zone on those time frame and wait for your price to pull back into time frame. Then look for your entry criteria. Then you take trade in the direction of the previous candle. That's if the previous candle closed bullish. But if it closed bearish and probably price already got into a weekly FUG, then you need a weekly engulfment, a weekly time frame engulfment before you can look to buy. If not, that week is still bearish. So until this kind of candlesticks print on the weekly time frame, we are still bearish. Until this kind of candle prints on the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. So immediately this kind of candle prints on the weekly time frame, then so the next 2 to 3 weeks, we are going bearish until we see another engulfment again in a very strong weekly zone. Then we can look to buy again. So that's how simple you can just frame your buyers. And this thing has helped me a lot. This thing has helped me really well. That before I discovered this kind of concept, how to frame these buyers, my account was like my account was in a very deep drawdown, 5% or 6% drawdown. Then after I discovered this thing, I brought my account back to the initial balance, and now I'm making profit on my accounts now. So this simple concept here can really help you to be profitable in the forex market. This simple concept here. So shout out to ICT for this knowledge and for this concept. So this simple thing here, I taught you guys in this video can really help your account, can really help you as a trader. So let's go down to the daily time frame to just check out how I frame my daily buyers here. So how I frame my daily buyers is very simple here. So the same concept, just how does the previous candle close? How does the previous candle close? If the previous candle close bullish, then the next day we are looking for bullish move. If it close bearish, we are looking for a bearish move here. And immediately this candle low, this bullish candle here, low, is being taken out. Yeah. Then we're in a bearish move. Yeah. We're in a bearish move. Sometimes candle will just pick into this low and close back in. It can also be it can also be a break of structure and a change of character. But you need more confirmation. So that's why I prefer the engulfment back. I mean I need a candle that want to change the character of the trend to close below this bull candle here. But you can still trade this one. But I just need more confirmation and a very clean one. So I prefer the close below or the close above for my change of character. And you can see immediately we tap into this low, we close back, closing bullish, bearish. The next days, we are bearish here. And for you to frame this for you to align the daily and the weekly together, you just need, okay, how does the previous week close? If the previous week close bearish, then just need the daily time frame too. Like let me print out one scenario here. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So from this candle here to this candle here, this are 1 week move. Yeah. So now you can see now that this from here now, this is a new week starting. This is Monday. That is first day of a new week now. So how do I align both the weekly and the daily or pairs together now? So I just wait for this. Okay, this Monday close bullish, and that leaves us with one PDR is here, which is a what? A fair value gap here. Let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm trying to print to or talk about here. So from this candle, this is Monday. So this is from this candle to this candle. This is a 1 week move. Yeah, that takes out the previous week or candle because this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, then Monday. So we took out the low, this low here, which is the low of the week or weekly bar on the weekly time frame. That's the low there. So we can confirm that. Let's confirm. Let's go to the weekly time frame to confirm that. You can see there. You can see that's that eyeball indicational weekly candle here. So let's go back. So immediately this week here, from Monday to Friday, it takes out this previous week bullish move. That means the weekly bias is bearish. Has come out to be bearish. And here now I want to align both the weekly and the daily together. So this is Monday of another new week. So our weekly time frame bias has been confirmed. Now we need our daily time frame now to be confirmed, and we need to align with the weekly time frame bias now. So immediately this Monday closes, there's a fair value gap here in the market. So Tuesday comes into that level and rejects. Then Wednesday. So immediately this Wednesday close bearish and takes out the low, the low of this Tuesday's candle. That means both the weekly time frame and the daily time frame has aligned together. So now any PDRs we can find in this candle here now on the lower time frame, probably on the 4 hour or on the 1 hour, we can trade off from it, and you can see price kept on tanking from there. So immediately this Wednesday takes out this low of this Tuesday's candle. The daily time frame has aligned with the weekly time frame bias. Now, any PDRs in this Wednesday candle now on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, wait for price to pull back into that PDRA, and that's a very high probability setup you can trade and bring that can boost your account. That's a very high probability trade, high probability setup, going both with the weekly and the daily bias in the market. So you can anything I say is just back test it and see for yourself, because this is all I do. This is how I trade how I trade in the forex market, and this is what I did that brought my account back from 5 to 6% drawdown, and I brought it back to my initial balance, and now my account is in profit. So this is what I do in the forex market. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, like and comment or below this video, and do well to if there's any video you want me to drop for you guys, comment below. Then I'll drop it for you guys. I'll do well to drop it for you guys. So my name is Too Fresh. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Peace out. See you guys later.